Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Right, let's start this piece of wank. Right, there was some sort of fire yesterday, just by the garages. There we are. Sooner I get rid of this fucking piece of wank, I better. Oh wow, it's quite boggy in second. Welcome back, 8-bits. That's quite a good scene, actually. What do you guys think? I wasn't expecting that to come out my head this morning. Welcome back, 8-bits. And thank you, Joe. I'm not going to say your last name. You'll probably find it on YouTube anyway, but still. Thank you, Joe, for subscribing yesterday. I'm not sure when this video is going to be up, so it could be today, tomorrow, anything thereafter. So yeah, but yeah, thank you anyway for subscribing. Share my channel with your friends, get other people into biking. So Joe is a new rider. He's still yet to take a CBT. I need to end this like bike forever and ever. Like, it seems worse now than what I did before, but to be fair, it's been sat doing nothing because I refuse to ride it in any other reason. It is what it is at the end of the day. I'm certainly looking forward to getting a new bike. So just to give you a summary of what I'm looking for, I might stay and do the second-hand market, but I'm not entirely sure yet. I haven't decided, but I want to look into doing off the road birdies. So yeah, I'm looking at Supermoto or a used CBR. At least if I can go for a Honda or a, you know, a Sinus or something along those lines, I could probably get away with it a bit more. So it's not too long. I've got 100 fucking hell, if I had 100 I'd be days away. I've got 1,200 minus the 400 that's owed to me. So ready, I don't want to be waiting behind these people. So I've got 1,600 in total when I get my 400 remaining, but until then it's a no-no at the momento. However, I do look forward to possibly looking for a bike, but I won't be able to do that now until, when is it, next Thursday I think it is, or Friday. I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to double check my calendar and put it on the screen now, because I'm doing loads of overtime. This is like literally the first time I've been called into work since fucking before moratorium. Hopefully I'll have a Supermoto for you and I'll go green laning, because oh man, he's changed his name now. I can't remember what his name was. Something D. Crazy D, I think, off the top of my noggin. Sammy D, Ultra D, Sucky D. I know him as Send Nude. Oh man, this is where an anti-fog visor would come in handy. I don't want to get wind in the helmet for you guys. I want to keep on talking. It wouldn't be so bad if I was wearing my my clear visor. I could see a little bit better then, but because it's still quite dark in the shadows and the sun hasn't fully come up yet, it's a bit hard to see. Let's get past this lorry. Let's get past this. Yeah, Yeah, she's still got some welly in her. Oh shit, have I forgotten my face mask now? I think I have. I'm gonna have to go in with my t-shirt and my fucking noggin now. Anyways, if you like this video, click the like button, throw a comment down below, and hit the subscribe button. I'm on my way to 100, so if you could keep it up, I will reveal myself to the whole world, just for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.